Hey, good morning everybody. It's Wednesday and it's Wednesday the 15th of January. Our Valentine's Day orders will be cutting off soon. Just want to have a little chat to you today. We are doing a few cool things at the Flower Hub. You'll see a few changes. We're going to start leaving our little green footprint everywhere. So what we think is it's our corporate responsibility and our responsibility as humans to start giving back and helping our planet. So how are we going to do that? We want to reduce the amount of times we import into the country. So for example, with Valentine's Day, we really need you to get your pre-orders in so that we know how many shipments we need to order in. We want to cut down on the loads that we have coming in so that it cuts down on our footprint that we're leaving. It'll cut down on our emissions and things like that. So it's really important that we start thinking about other people and not just ourselves. So we're really excited to start launching a little bit of green coming from the Flower Hub. Now we do need your Valentine's Day orders in. You will know last year we had a supply of red roses. We're not keeping thousands and thousands on hand for you. You want your red roses, I would advise you to order them. Supply wise for everything else is looking very good. Millie and Nick, as I said the other day, are in Western Australia talking to our importers over there. Nikki's been on the phone talking to all of our local farmers, and I'm so excited that it's raining outside today. My pool really needs filling and my grass is almost dead. But apart from that, our sunflower farmers, our Lockyer Valley rose growers, they really need this rain. They're trucking water in to get flowers to you. So look out for those changes. Now you've listened to me babble on. Not babble, it's important information, guys. We'll go and have a look in the cold room. There's some really cool stuff that's coming today and tomorrow. We have native bunches coming in, we have Banksias coming in, we've got flower flow roses coming in, so they're 10 stem imports, and I've got some other bits and pieces. So let's go have a look at the cool room today. I'll grab my jacket and take you for a walk. Look at all of this gorgeous rain. Okay. So when I said a lot of product came in today, I wasn't lying. We have stuff everywhere, but we're getting it organised. Cool stuff in today. I'm really in love with this eucalypt that we've been getting the last couple of weeks. It's little, it's cute, and really makes your hands sticky so you can smell them all day long. So get a load of that. How yummy is it? Beautiful status. And look at the colours in these incarnations. I really like this. Yum yum. And Millie has pulled something out of the bag while she's been in WA. She has got this. How fabulous is it? So it's a bleached leather fern. It's huge, the bunches are huge, and they're really, really cute. Really like them. Nice work, Mill. There you go, some more suits. And it's back, baby. I've had customers asking for it. Hello. Okay, beautiful red roses and mixed. We've actually got a mixed lot of roses. There's about 20 bunches there. All good colours, good sizes in the heads. Take a lucky dip. You never know what will happen in your day. Yeah, my hair's really messed up. On another subject, Lizzianthus. Looking good. And I highlighted this gardenia from Prime yesterday. It is gorgeous. Okay, so mums are in. We're just about to put them up for sale. I'm going to show you the colours, so bear with me. I've got the camera around the other way today and I can't swap it. I'm technically challenged for the Samsung. So there you go, this is beautiful burgundies, some purples. Oh no. Oh no, I thought I'd finished and I hadn't. Oopsies.